How to upload video to ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT and start a new chat. Next, move to the message box at the bottom of the screen and click the plus icon. From the menu that appears, select Upload from Computer or Add Photos and Files, depending on the version you're using. Now, browse to the folder where your video is stored. Select the video file and click Open. Wait a few moments while the video uploads completely. Once the upload is finished, type a clear prompt describing what you want ChatGPT to do. For example, you can ask it to summarize in 5 key points, summarize the video, identify key moments, or answer questions about the video's content. After entering your prompt, click the Send button. ChatGPT will analyze the uploaded video and generate a response based on both the visual content and any available audio, helping you find the information you need much faster. This feature is incredibly useful for reviewing long meetings, lectures, interviews, tutorials, presentations, or research videos without manually searching through the entire recording. And that's it. That's how easy it is to upload and analyze a video with ChatGPT. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.